Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Tips and Tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you a new product. This is the Tweezer Set. Inside, we've got two pairs of really high quality tweezers. And underneath, we've got a nice leather pouch for them to go in. The quality of these tweezers, surprising or not, is quite amazing. With a nice sleek curve to them, they definitely rival the pairs that I use on the day-to-day for my micro soldering. And this one's slightly larger and slightly thicker, but extremely precise. I can tell that these will definitely last a long time, and I'm excited to start to use these for all of my upcoming micro soldering repairs. Definitely something that is worth the investment. There will be a link in the description where you can get them. Just look out for them in my upcoming videos. I don't see this pair being as useful. I mean, there are definitely things that you need to pick at that you don't want to necessarily poke. So this would probably be good if you're struggling to, say, get under the black sticker to get a battery up. This would probably do that without puncturing the battery wall, where this would be a little bit more dangerous. But this pair of tweezers, I'm definitely a fan of. I can tell that they're not going to bend too easily. I just picked up some IC chips and they've got a really good grip. I might try to make them a little thinner at the tip, maybe take some of my refined polishers and try to get the tips just a little thinner towards the very tip so that I can get ICs up a little easier. I really like the feel and the design of this set. There will be a link for it in the description. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video. It's like a hummingbird.